What can the public do to ensure a healthy ocean?
We can do many things. First, use your voice. Join and support campaigns urging your elected officials and world leaders to protect 30% of the ocean by 2030. Second, get connected. Visit our Global Fishing Watch fishing activity map to understand more about the scope and scale of global fishing activity. Transparency is crucial to improve ocean governance. Third, get to know your seafood. Ask where your seafood comes from and how it was caught or farmed. These factors can make a big difference to the sustainability of the seafood you buy. And lastly, celebrate the oceans every day, especially on June 8th, World Ocean Day.